Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Lego Spider-Man from Spider-Man No Way Home. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Lego Spider-Man No Way Home, we're going to begin with the head. And we're going to start with the very top. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to make a small little oval shape. So we're going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to curve up and down. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to come down and then up. On the sides here, we're going to make two lines that come down. And a little line is just going to curve down and up. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down. And then we'll make another one. We're going to go out, and then we're going to come down. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to curve over, and then we're going to bring it right up to this one. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring it up here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to come over here. We're going to bring it back up. And then we're going to come right over here for the top. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come over. We're going to bring this line straight across. Then we're going to go up and connect to here. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come over and then up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve, and then we're going to come down. Then we'll just make another little line that comes down here. And then we're going to make one that comes out. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to bring it back up and make it come down. We're going to bring it over, and then we're going to come up and connect with a little line right here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, then it's going to come out. We'll bring this line down, and then we're going to come in. We'll draw a little line that's going to come down and over. Next, we'll make a line that's going to go over, down, and then in. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over to right about where the hand is. We're going to draw a line that's going to curve up and down. We're going to make a line that comes down, and then another line that's going to curve up and down, and then come over. We're going to make two lines that come up, and then down. Two lines, and then we're going to connect them. Then we're going to draw a line that comes down. Then we're going to curve over. And we're just going to add a little line that's going to come down here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go over, and then we're going to curve it up. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over, down, and then we're going to come back over and up. And we're going to bring it over. Make a line that's going to go over, up, and then over, and then connect it to here. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come down, and then we're going to curve it back. And we'll bring it up here. We're going to bring this line down. We're going to go over, we're going to curve it around, and then connect. And then bring a little line down here. Now for the face. So to start off with this, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve up. Then we're going to draw one that's going to go down and up. Same thing here, we're going to curve a line down. This time we're going to go down and then bring it back up. Now right around here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come to a point, and then we're just going to curve it back around. Same thing here, we're going to go up, we're going to come to a point, we're going to curve it back around and connect to here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down. Then we're going to go down, over, and up. We're going to draw a line that comes up, one over here, and one over here. We're going to make a line here, one here, here, and then one more over here. We'll put one here, one right there, and one there. Then we're just going to make some little kind of curved, pointy lines right here. And we're just going to make these all around here. So we're just going to kind of curve these all around just to make some little details. We'll make them come right over to the edge. We'll just kind of bring them all around. Now for the spider on his chest, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go up and then one here with a little point on top. We're going to make two lines that come out and two that come down with another little point. Make a line that's going to go over, up, and over. We'll do the same thing, go over, up, and then over. Over, down. We're going to go over and down. We're going to go over, up. We're going to come in, over, and then up and over like this. We're just going to kind of do that same thing. We're going to kind of follow that shape. Then we're going to kind of refollow that shape again. And this time we're just going to kind of follow it right down to here. Next, we're just going to add some little lines right across here. And then we're just going to make some that go right across as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Lego Spider-Man No Way Home. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.